Exactly how much time can you spare daily to make sustainable changes? What if the one thing you keep avoiding could be the game-changing mover? These and many more questions can be addressed with just this word, AI. Making money online distinctively with digital products calls for your attention to advancing with AI. People are buying ebooks online every day. This digital product doesn't need inventory, storage capacity before starting. Even without having enough experience, without too much expenditure, but just your smartphone and constant internet connection, you can draft and create ebooks from anywhere. Sellers are cashing in on millions of dollars each year in ebook revenue only. Take a moment. Join millions who already make digital books with the AI advantageous tools completely free. You can create unlimited ebooks for selling in minutes. Whether it's children's animated storybooks, activity journals, workbooks, children's alphabet learning books, counting books, coloring books, or kids' trackers. Draft each book with unique precision. Beautifully crafted digital products that convert into real sales are required to have an A+ content rating, which eventually gets the ebook to a truly profitable status. Choose preferred niches carefully. AI generates complete contents for you expeditiously, ready to sell everywhere. We will try to cover as much as possible in today's video. Nature books, reference books, parenting and relationship guides, specific trackers for various niches, self-help books, business books, educational research transcripts, scientific books, futuristic fictions, fitness books, meals or recipe books, yearbook planners, and so much more. The list is broad, so do not be limited to these. Let's make your selection count. Today's video is part 3. Let's pick ebook creation as the first digital product we'll make completely free from scratch. Select appropriately the subject content for creating the ebook. Gather more inspiration on your chosen topics, searching trending ebook categories on Google. Then draft a prompt idea for a content writing AI tool like Chat GPT. Ebook content generating, ebook image generation, ebook publishing, delivering to marketplaces, ebook promotions and sales. Chat GPT is generating the ebook's interior content. We'll use Leonardo AI for stunning images. Kindle Direct publishers for printing drafted ebooks. Amazon selling digital products. Social media platforms for promotions. Please do not skip any part of today's video. Follow along keenly. You shouldn't miss that very crucial, important tip that can be your turning point if seriously you desire making money from digital products. When these AI tools are applied correctly, as I'll show you shortly, you'll be passively making steady income flow online. I'll encourage you now, just start creating your very first digital products immediately after finishing this video. Don't overthink. Money really loves speed. Take action fast. Put extra passion in your work. Dedicated diligence yields faster results with a business mindset approach. AI softwares are transformational tools assisting us to achieve. Remember, I'm sharing these ebook strategic tutorials with the same methods working wonders for me too. Check the description below and pinned comment for vital links. Don't forget, give this video likes, share with friends, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and never miss our videos. This will help us in a very big way. I've included a surprise gift within this video. It's my way of saying thank you. You've all taken action watching this video. Grab yourself a free 30 days money challenge PDF. Jumpstart this cultural journey of money growth mindset. Positive thoughts bringing about renewed energy frequencies productively. Watch the entire video to access the download link. Moving ahead, I've selected Business as today's choice subject for ebook drafting. Now I'll head over to Chat GPT to start content creation. With an already prepared prompt, I'll instruct the AI chat to write a unique title for my ebook on business or finance topic. Whatever the title given, it mustn't be similar to another ebook online. Most AI-created prompts are structured for effortless ebook content drafting, giving each chapter visual storytelling, interactive hooks, and high-engagement moments, designed to motivate, educate, and convert every reader into action takers. An age-cutting venture that's transforming passive individuals to millionaire status. It's best to start now. Don't overthink. Each content prompt is positioned as an expert writing guide who makes approachable, professional, and highly scalable money-making blueprints. While keeping it affordable, it's also beginner-friendly. Each one is pre-purposed, tactical, advanced, and structured like a master's blueprint for your content writing chat. I'm certain that this will resonate with people who want not just side income hustles tips, but scalable, systemized digital publishing business. Available online are search tools that can help you with checking for trademarks on names or even suggested phrases for your ebook, so that you stay clear of copyright strike issues. Make use of websites like WIPO, USPTO, Merch by Amazon, trademark protection, among others. These websites are a must-have important checking platforms before using any titles or phrases or suggestions given by content writing AI chats for your ebook titles. Before you settle on any title name or phrase, thoroughly ensure you double-check. done all the necessary safeguarding checks. Now, prompt the AI to craft for you a well-articulated draft for the ebook, bit by bit. For purposes of getting quality in the outcome, each eBooks chapter should be generated one section at a time. Take time on content writing, carefully read, then edit thoroughly. While Chat GPT generates each section, which takes a while, I'm extremely appreciative to you giving this video a like. Also comment below which ebook AI generating tool you've used before or look forward to using. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Share this video with friends. I'll appreciate it so much. It's extremely helpful for me. The absolute best thing for content quality of the ebook is being very deliberate as chapters are generated. The AI software sometimes underperforms if pushed too hard. Take your time on the content designing, one chapter at a time. Don't rush the process. You need an A+ rating on your ebook to make profitable business. Carefully edit each chapter after copying it to your notepad, Google Docs, or Canva. Here, arrange the draft appropriately into a PDF-ready format for printing and publications. All the text needs to be centered to avoid being cut off during printing. Check for any grammar errors, add images, and highlight your headings and subtitles neatly. You've now known how to effectively use Chat GPT. Therefore, ask the chat to create prompts for interior images and cover images for your ebook. You will be generating these images on a different AI tool. This is now comfortably easy for every one of you to do. Give a very detailed description of the image styles to ChatGPT. The ebook we've just finished formatting needs good cover photos and quality images for interior pages. We'll generate required images using an already prepared prompt. Let's use Leonardo AI for this procedure now. Remember to create an account first on Leonardo AI, then start generating your images. Always download the preferred images to your device. The ebook we've just finished formatting needs good cover photos and quality images for interior pages. We'll generate required images using an already prepared prompt. Let's use Leonardo AI for this procedure now. Remember to create an account first on Leonardo AI, then start generating your images. Always download the preferred images to your device. The ebook we've just finished formatting needs good cover photos and quality images for interior pages. We'll generate required images using an already prepared prompt.